Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, we're gonna check a few platforms, and the first one is Google Play Store. But as we all know, Fortnite is not available here. Let's try it anyway. As you can see, there's no game available. Now let's move to Epic Games Launcher app on this device. You can get it from Epic Games Store website. Now here we can find the Fortnite. Let's click get and we can install it. So this means you can play Fortnite on SONY Xperia 1.4. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.